Welcome, welcome. Hey, we're here. First, just want to say thank you so much for being here. Dallas, shout out. That's where I grew up. Jersey, London, Chicago, California, Texas. There's birthdays happening. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay.
First of all, I enjoyed the breakout room just in general. Like, I enjoyed everyone that was in there, but it was something about like the advice that she gave me and her voice, and I just felt the love. I just felt her heart.
I was in the group with Edward and Maliha, and they were both inspiring, reframing the way that we say things, and knowing that while we're here, we're gonna smash certain goals. And Edward, I'm calling you out, Edward. We know what your next goal is gonna be, and we're rooting for you. Yeah, and Maliha, you know what you want to do, so just go out there, have fun with it, and just the community for me has been so powerful.
I had the pleasure of meeting Claudia Lopez and Mary Ott. Sometimes breakout groups can be a little awkward. This is so organic, really good. Thank you.
Hi, I was in the breakout room with Selena Payne and Lakeisha Burr, and it was like a positive, refreshing energy. Like we knew each other for a long time.
I've been searching 2 years or waiting 2 years to find the right group, the right community, the right tribe, all of it. And it presented itself. This last 8 days has been amazing. Thank you for thinking of that. It was brilliant.
Energy is very contagious. The energy is great, and I want to feel that energy, and I want to return that energy. So I love it. Thank you, everybody, for participating with your whole hearts and your whole personality. That's what makes everything best. So, thanks a lot.
Amazing, amazing. Wow. You all are incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's start with actually a survey. What areas do you need the most support with? And it was multiple choice. Looks like the most is business strategy. And then the next one is personal brand. You're in the right place for both. Leads, you're in the right place for both. Building a network, you're in the right place for both. Marketing confidence, absolutely the right place. Putting this 40 hours, 20 hours a month into this is going to all but guarantee that you come out of this a better human being and a better entrepreneur. I want to help you grow your personal brand, your unique skills, your network, your impact with leveraged effort. I will also bring in some special guests and friends of mine. Anybody who's been in my world for a little bit, you kind of know we really do some special things. At Your First Million Live, we had Issa Rae, we had TLC, we had Rich Paul, we had Miss Sheila Johnson. We had so many other people. Gary Vee flew in. My goal is to give you value anytime that I'm putting out something in this group and elsewhere. What I want to accomplish is that someone can say without fail, $100 a month is criminal. So we have monthly themes, and it will focus on skill building topics. And then you'll learn actionable strategies. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do, and we're all going to do it together. And then you're going to do it. And then we're going to learn from that. And then we're going to move on. Soon, you'll be able to say, oh, okay, I got my first member, or I got my first view, or my first download, or I got my first paid customer. You'll be able to share that with the group because everybody will be doing similar things together. You're going to get out of this what you put into it. Ask for help. You can ask me for help, but you can certainly ask the community for help because you have seen how this community comes together to help. And then we're going to have some challenges, mini challenges throughout the year. Some of them will have prizes. And again, I would encourage you not to think of this as these are my potential customers in this group. Don't think of it like that. Think of it like these are my mastermind partners and we're going to grow together. And there's a big world out there of customers. You giving into the group freely is going to come back to you in a very, very special way. This is a $1,500 course that is live right now on Teachable. So if you were to go to Teachable, you would pay $1,497. It is free for everybody who is in this course. I am going to introduce prizes and kind of fun things for these different leaderboards.